I want to get into who you serve. It's somebody that wants to that has a vision, has a message, has something to say, wants to create a legacy, but there's more to the book publishing, isn't there, than just the get it written, get some publisher to buy it.
There's a lot more. To me, the power of becoming an author and the power of writing a book is in expressing your expertise, expressing your authority, expressing that you have a message. And just the fact that you've put your story together in a coherent package and you've gone through the difficult steps, oftentimes the learning curve of how to start with an idea in your mind and put it together in book form and then get it actually published, that's a big accomplishment, and people respect that accomplishment. But the fact of having authored a book is a statement. It says that you are a person of substance, that you have determination, that you had the willingness to put this message out there. And even when people don't read your book, just the fact that you have a book or just the fact that you can give someone a book carries a powerful message, and it gives so much credibility. There's a lot of fields and a lot of people that talk about the expert industry and the expert field, and that's important, but I like the word authority.
Right.
Because when you are an expert, number one, I feel like experts are people that have enough knowledge that they help educate other people in that field. So experts educate. What better way to educate than writing a book about it? Especially a book that you've completed the whole book. I know there are opportunities to get a chapter in a book, and I'm in a couple of those too, and that's okay. But it really is powerful to have your own book with your own message, and once you have that book, that's just the gate that opens all kinds of opportunities. Then you can go from there and use your book as an introduction to the marketplace. Typically people that become an author and that have a book published, if they want to, and if they have someone strategize with them, they can then use that book to open up the door to a speaking career, if that's what they want, open up a door to coaching or counseling, if that's what they want. If they have a brick and mortar business and they want more people to come to it. Can you imagine someone in the medical profession, for example, someone that does hormone replacement therapy? If they write a book specific about their field and someone calls their office to inquire about their knowledge or their expertise, and rather than sending them a brochure or an advertisement, or when someone comes in to ask, rather than doing that, if that person had their own book that they wrote about by hormone therapy, that they could give them their book. They're the author of that. In people's eyes, whether they read it or not, and hopefully they will read it, but whether they read it or not, they think, this person knows what he's talking. He's written a book about it.
That's the thing that's so important, is that just the ether of someone holding your book going, wow, Bob must have a clue.
I should listen to what
I
this
should
guy
listen.
says.
As crazy as that sounds, like, surely people think like that all the time. And how powerful it is when you have the book, it's in your arsenal. You've got that level of that mantle, I call it a mantle of authority. That when you walk into a room, you're not having to prove that you're an authority. You are an authority.
And it
Bob Baer, author of More Power, is passionate about helping others to write and get their books published. Bob is a serial entrepreneur with 6 current businesses and is a certified master trainer of guerrilla marketing. Bob enjoys teaching and mentoring those who want to become better expert authorities in their chosen fields and industries. Visit bobbaer.com for details about his book More Power, or for information on speaking, workshops, or interviews.